Move on and shift our focus to the latest coming in from Maharashtra. Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad is once again at the center of controversy after a video emerged showing him punching a canteen worker at the Akashvani MLA hostel in Mumbai. In this video, Gaikwad is seen storming into the canteen, scolding the manager, forcing him to smell stale dal and rice that he was served allegedly, and striking the staff members seated at the billing counter. In response to the poor quality food that was served to him, he allegedly confronted the staff and along with others assaulted one of the canteen employees. Even when confronted by Times Now, the leader shows no remorse, brazenly justifying his actions by calling himself a boxer. And not just that, he even claimed, "This is my way of delivering justice." So you have yet another shocking instance of a lawmaker turning a lawbreaker in Maharashtra. It's yet another shocking statement that we've got from the MLA. Let's listen.
मैंने अगर कायदा तोड़ा है तो उन्होंने मेरी कंप्लेंट करना, और कायदा हाथ में लेने के लिए, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बिगाड़ने के लिए वो कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम का झगड़ा नहीं है, कोई मराठी अमराठी का झगड़ा नहीं है। एक ओनर और एक ग्राहक, ये दोनों का झगड़ा है। यहाँ कायदा सुव्यवस्था का कोई संबंध नहीं आता।
वो ओनर को आपके सरकार के लोगों ने ही रखा है, आपकी सरकारी पावर में, तो आप सरकार से बात कर सकते हैं।
वो ओनर 30 साल से है।
अभी आप निकाल सकते थे उसको, अगर आप प्रॉब्लम है, आप सरकार में हो, ये ऐसा मार के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने वाला है।
देखो, अभी मारने के बाद ही उसमें कार्रवाई होगी।
तो आपसे ये पूछेंगे, जो आपने जो किया, आप उसको, आपका जस्टिफिकेशन करते हो, आपको लगता है कि सही किया?
मेरा खुद का जस्टिस है।
So you heard what happened, viewers. When my colleague Arunil was confronting him, he had no remorse whatsoever. In fact, he was quite unapologetic about it. And he, in fact, has been saying that this is his way of delivering justice. And now, viewers, we have a reaction coming in. The first reaction of Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on this entire row. And remember, even this MLA here that we are talking about is from Shinde Sena. And now we have the first reaction coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, who in fact has in a way suggested that he puked, which made him angry, and he reacted that way. Although I don't support violence, if there is any problem, we have the right to take legal action, but beating someone is not right. So there you have it, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, saying beating someone is not right. Listen in.
नाही तर त्यांना स्वतःच त्याचा अनुभव आला आणि जेवल्यानंतर त्यांना जेवताना त्यांना वांती आली, उलटी हो गया, वॉमिटिंग हो गया, और इसलिए उन्होंने गुस्से में आकर वो मारपीट की। उसका मैं समर्थन नहीं करूंगा, और हम लोक प्रतिनिधि है, विधायक है, तो हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। कानूनी कार्रवाई के लिए हमारे पास अधिकार है। तो अगर जिधर गलत होता है उसके ऊपर कानूनी कार्रवाई हो सकती है, लेकिन मारपीट करना ये उचित नहीं है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Nilesh joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Nilesh, this is the first reaction coming in from Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. He's saying he doesn't really support violence, assaulting someone isn't right, but in a way he was also justifying that, you know, the way he reacted was perhaps because he got angry. Nilesh? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Nilesh, my colleague, in just a bit and get you more details on this particular story. We just saw how an MLA turned into literally a hooligan, a lawmaker turned into a lawbreaker, and now we have a reaction coming in from Deputy Chief Minister, who is slamming his own MLA's action. And this is the first reaction of Eknath Shinde that we've got for you, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister, who in fact says that he does not support violence, and if there is any problem, then they have the right to take legal action, but beating someone is not right. And we have a reaction now coming in from Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis as well on this entire episode. Let's listen in.
खरं म्हणजे मी देखील त्याची माहिती घेतली आणि तो व्हिडिओ मी देखील स्वतः बघितलेला आहे, आणि निश्चितच अशा प्रकारचं वर्तन हे आपल्या कोणाही करता भूषणावं नाही। याच्याने विधिमंडळाची आणि आमदार म्हणून आपली सगळ्यांचीच प्रतिष्ठा, प्रतिमा कुठेतरी कमी होते। इथनं माहिती अशी आली की काय आमदार निवासातल्या सोयी नीट नव्हत्या, भाजीला वास होता वगैरे, या सगळ्या गोष्टीची तक्रार करता येते, त्याच्यावर कारवाई केली पाहिजे. तो एक वेगळा मुद्दा आहे, त्याच्यावर मी आपल्याला विनंती करेन की आपण स्वतः लक्ष घालावं. आमदार निवासात जर काही अनियमितता असेल, तिथे काही घाण असेल, काही समजा चुकीच्या प्रकारच्या गोष्टी वापरल्या जात असतील तर स्वतंत्रपणे त्याची कारवाई झाली पाहिजे. पण अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये मारहाण करणं, लोकप्रतिनिधींनी मारहाण करणं आणि त्याच्या अशा प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ येणं, परब साहेबांचं जरी मत असलं की टावेलवर का मारलं, तरी टावेलवर मारलं किंवा कशावरही मारलं तरी ते चुकीचंच आहे, ते योग्य नाही आहे. आणि यातनं सगळ्या आमदारांबद्दल लोकांमध्ये भावना चुकीची जाते. आपण कुठेतरी सत्तेचा गैरवापर करतो किंवा आपण सगळे आमदार म्हणून आपलं कंडक्ट योग्य नाही, अशा प्रकारचं लोकांमध्ये या संदर्भातली भावना जाते. आणि म्हणून निश्चितपणे मला असं वाटतं की अतिशय गंभीर बाब आहे. आपण आणि माननीय अध्यक्ष या दोघांनी याचा कॉग्निझन्स घ्यावा आणि या संदर्भात काय पुढील कारवाई करायची ते आपण
Let's now go across to my colleague Arunil joining us on the phone line for more on this. Arunil, so we've got reactions here from both the Chief Minister as well as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and both seem to be of the view that assaulting someone, violence is not right, even if you're angry over something. But the question really is, will any action be taken against this MLA?
Well, that is the main pertinent question, Hina. Here, CM Devendra Fadnavis, clearly pressure mounts on him as well, because he is the Home Minister of the state, and we have seen the kind of violence that has been perpetrated by MNS party workers across Mumbai and the adjoining areas as well. Now, here was Shinde Sena leader Sanjay Gaikwad, who can be seen punching and slapping a worker in an MLA hostel. MLA hostel belongs to the government. When Times Now confronted Sanjay Gaikwad, he said, next time also if such kind of a thing happens, I will again punch because I have learned judo karate and this is my form of justice. This is the way the MLA was brazening it out. Yes, CM Devendra Fadnavis has accepted that this is completely wrong, this should not have happened, and some action needs to be taken to improve the food quality in the MLA hostel. Why it wasn't improved till now, that is again a big point of question, and why no action has been taken against this MLA who openly thrashed an employee in the MLA hostel, and again is saying that I'll do it one more time, I will trash because I have learned judo karate. Why no action till now? That is again a baffling question. His party leader, Sanjay Gaikwad's party leader, Eknath Shinde, has given a relatively mild reaction, justifying the act, saying that there was a very poor quality of food that was served, and that is why he went and beat up that manager in the MLA hostel. But it is wrong as well. The big point of question in Maharashtra, Hina, is that some action government also needs to take to stop these violent acts.
All right, Arunil, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. And viewers, instead of an action against the MLA, the FDA team, in fact, reached the spot, the canteen here, inspected the MLA canteen over alleged poor food quality. And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.